Hi friends, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. So today we're gonna be making shake cucumber salad. So to make this we need a small cucumber, avocado and a small tomato. Now let's see the process. So first we have to take a small portion of curd. Also we can take yogurt. Now we have to make it soft. So now we have softened the batter. Now we have to add a small pinch of pepper and salt as per of your taste. Now we have to mix it. Now we have to peel the cucumber and avocado, and you also have to cut them. Now we have peeled the cucumber. Let's also start with the avocado. So friends, now we peel the avocado. Let's cut into small pieces. We have to cut them into small dices. Now let's put in the avocado pieces into a batter. Now we have to remove the middle seeds in the cucumber. Like this, friends. Since we removed the seeds, now let's cut it into small slices. Like this, friends. Pause. Now let's also add the cucumber into this. Now let's peel the tomato. So friends, we have to remove the seeds from the tomato and also cut it into small pieces. We have to cut the tomato. Now let's also add the tomato. Now let's mix it well. Now we also have to add the pink amaranthus, friends. Now our salad is ready, friends. Let's taste it. It's so crunchy, friends, and it's very tasty. If you should also try this recipe in summer because it's very cooling. It's like very cool and so tasty to eat it as an evening salad, and also very healthy. So friends, if you like this cooking tutorial, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you in the next video. Bye friends.